Hey guys, we are the Dream Voyagers and we are on our journey of Rajasthan voyage. In this chapter, we'll be continuing our journey from Jaipur. And then we'll be taking you to the red city of Rajasthan, Bikaner. The city grew up around the magnificent 500 years old Junagadh Fort. We will walk you through the history of World War, where you will be amazed by the huge bomber plane.
Well, let's start where we left off in Jaipur.
तो वेडिंग वगैरह हुई है क्या?
आज होगी वेडिंग।
अच्छा, आज होगी वेडिंग। Preparation of a royal wedding, huh?
These royal weddings are a sight to see. There are many museums in the city palace that showcase the royal life of previous kings. Unfortunately, recording is not allowed in most of the museums. There are two types of tickets. First, 2000 rupees ticket per person to visit the Royal Private Blue Room, also called the Chhavi Niwas, and a normal ticket to access the outdoor courtyard and museums.
After our visit to City Palace, we move along to Hawa Mahal.
The way to Hawa Mahal is quite interesting.
Passing through the strange alleyways, we came out to this lane which led us to Hawa Mahal. As we were already late and reached in the afternoon, we encountered a lot of rush. Can see Ali standing in the long queue. There he is. We would recommend you to visit early in the morning to avoid crowds. To get a great view of Hawa Mahal and to grab a bite after a tiring day, we went to a restaurant opposite to Hawa Mahal. Even the streets are amazing to just walk by.
Light would happen. How there's a hustle and bustle of the city. So we are packing for our tomorrow trip, man. This is gonna be awesome.
It's already going awesome.
As you can see, Zara is packing up stuff for tomorrow. So we will be leaving early morning tomorrow by bus to Bikaner.
Yeah, and we know how our morning routines are. We love
We need to leave early in the morning and we have a movie to catch up. And we will probably sleep after catching up our movie.
The movies. I don't want to skip the movies.
You don't want to?
But yeah, I don't want to rise early in the morning.
It was a good day.
It was a good day. Okay. Don't shoot me now. Come on. Go from here. We have reached Bikaner finally, and after a hell hot journey. And at our hotel room, here is Adi lazing out on the bed after a long drive. See, this is our room. This hotel is really beautiful, and the view from the window is really awesome. Although it's not up the front, but here, the beautiful pool beside this red building. It's really cool, but it's really hot out there. That's why he's chilling here.
So we are in Bikaner and we are about to leave to visit Rampuria Haveli, I guess. Rampuria Haveli and Junagadh Fort. So let's see कैसा रहता है. अभी तो फिलहाल we are having parathe, garam parathe. These are really soft. Damn. They are delicious.
What's with a cup of milk?
We always ask for a cup of milk for our cereals. We always carry our muesli with us. तो अगर breakfast कर रहे हो तो, लेकिन you can't miss a paratha while on travel.
Hey, I'm finally ready. We'll be roaming around Bikaner, and finally after a full day of rest, today we are moving towards the main city.
Rampuria Haveli, also called the Pride of Bikaner, is in the old town of Bikaner. It will take you around 10 to 15 minutes to reach here from the city center. You can take a local auto or can just stroll through the streets to reach here. These mini palaces were the residence of the wealthy merchant family Rampuria.
After spending some early hours at Rampuria Haveli, we came to Junagadh Fort by noon. It's located in the main city of Bikaner. Just as you enter the fort, you will come across Suraj Fort. As the name suggests, the first gate to receive sunlight in the morning.
भाई अंदर फोटोग्राफी फ्री है, कोई पैसा नहीं है। गाइड भी फ्री है, उसका भी कोई पैसा नहीं है। वीडियो नहीं बनाना है, वीडियो का 150 रुपये टिकट है।
ये जो आप वाइट मार्बल का वाटर टैंक देख रहे हैं, यहाँ पर होली खेली जाती है। कोई भी युवराज, राजकुमार, राजा बनता, 20 तिलक का प्रोग्राम यहाँ होता है। ये इस किले का सबसे ओल्डेस्ट पार्ट है। फूलों की चित्रकारी इसलिए फूल महल कहते हैं।
Chandra Mahal. This part is gold plated with mirrors to enhance the beauty of this place. This is the most luxurious place of fort.
बरसातें बहुत कम होती थी, तो ये कूलिंग सिस्टम बनाया गया था। झूला है, झूले पे छोटी छोटी गुड़िया है। ये झूला झूलाते तो ये गुड़िया डांस करती थी। सामने दीवारों पर शीशा लगा है, शीश महल कहलाता है, गोल्ड वर्क है,
गोल्ड पेंटेड वर्क।
और ये जो विंडो है, विंडो के बैक साइड में कमरा है रानी का। विंडो खोलने पर ये एक ही कमरा बन जाता था।
So this hotel is around 15 to 20 minutes outskirts of the Bikaner, and here is the view outside our door. It's really pretty out there and it's really hot. So guys, I'll tell you about the surroundings a bit later, but I can show you my door room. See, it's really unique, and maybe this hotel features about the people of Bikaner.
बहुत ज़्यादा कल्चरल वाइब देता है ये होटल। डैम, इट डजंट लुक लेस देन अ पैलेस, लुक्स मार्वलस मैन। एज यू गाइस कैन सी, होटल पीछे। बहुत स्केप्टिकल हो रहा था व्हेन यू आर थिंकिंग कि लें इतनी दूर होटल या नहीं, बट इट वाज अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस, इट वाज अ गुड चॉइस बिकॉज बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है अभी यहाँ पर। As you can see, the hotel looks marvelous and शांति है सबसे बड़ी बात। Here comes Zara. Zara is all excited about the झूले out here. नहीं नहीं, क्यों टूटेगा? Hello guys, so we are back from our trip from Bikaner. We just came back from Junagadh Fort and it was hell of a day. We are gonna show you all about Junagadh Fort. It was a wonderful day. तो आज बहुत ज़्यादा सीन हुआ. हमारा प्लान था यहाँ से जैसलमेर जाने का, and after doing some research we checked out for buses and what conveyance there is, but we couldn't find anything, so we have slight change in our plan. It's a surprise what is planned for later on. You guys are going to know about it by tomorrow. Something that I think that is in our fate. We can't escape it anyhow, no matter what trip we does.
Yeah, you
But-
can't escape it.
ये देखें राज दरबार, राजस्थान का सबसे शानदार कमरा है।
Junagadh Fort is an example of architectural marvel. Walking into the Vikram Vilas Darbar Hall, you'll encounter an unexpected sight, a DH-9 World War I bomber plane. This is the most distinct place in the fort. Britishers presented this plane as a souvenir to Maharaja Ganga Singh Ji of Bikaner.
We are still in Bikaner, so we had some plans lined up, but we couldn't complete it. Scene हो गया. The scene was that we both had food poisoning. Even Zara को fever तक हो गया. तो fever की वजह से we couldn't leave early. And जो surprise था, that's still lined up for today also. So we will let you know guys कि क्या surprise था. Surprise तो you're gonna love it, but let's see हमारा क्या हाल होता है, because we will be leaving now at 12 o'clock जहाँ पर we were leaving at in the morning. So let's see कैसा रहता है. We will keep you updated.
If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and let us know in the comments down below. And if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? There is so much more to come.